First of all, I would like to thank the YTC presidents and the leading staff for giving us this opportunity, this sweet chance again to enjoy with you all. Hope you guys enjoy the song. We might not sing like our brother Sunet Lentor, but as we are going to present these songs as a live band, I hope we can mesmerize this evening. Okay, that will be the next song. But first, as it's a monsoon and it's raining all day long, we would like to present you a song called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? I'll be just a statue, but I would like all of you to sing with me. So are you guys ready? Okay, let's do one competition. My left, my right, and the middle. When I left, they Muhammad Khan. Would you like to sing Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Very good. When I right Khan, are you ready? And the middle, are you ready? Yes! Whoa! And all together, let's shout! Are we ready? Yes! Piano, piano, piano. Alto, piano. One second. There is a technical problem. We would like to solve this first. Four. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen many people presenting the songs with karaoke's, live bands, and most of the time we see people doing unplugged songs. But tonight we are proudly going to present you a Hindi melodious and rock song combined on song.
you so much.